10. Chop the Beauty Critic.
Roxette's colorful Instagram makeup? Hey guys, it's Andi the Beauty Critic. In this video, we'll be scoring the 122.19 post from Roxette Arisa titled Vote. Is this the look we voted for, or do we demand a recount? Well, I have my notepad here ready to assess. You guys be sure to assess in the comment section below. And now let's get into the post. Okay, so my overall assessment is Roxette's application is very soft and flirty with eye-opening techniques. She's also naturally beautiful and have bold features, so her application techniques, they need to be intentional. But let us use the power of photo editing to analyze the image. So Roxette's skin in this image looks flawless, but I'm going to adjust these shadows and highlights so we can get all the way in. And what I notice is even though the foundation is fuller coverage, just enough of her skin's texture peeks through to give the foundation some life. In the image, I can still see some of her freckles by the nose area. Her colors in the image are also harmonious and they really create that eye focus. In the image, her skin is warm, her lip is warm. She has that warm color in the crease of her socket to really pull you into that cooler color on the eyelid. Even though the color draws you into the eye, it's not the only thing, because if I remove the color and make this image monochromatic, you can clearly see that the liner and lashes also helps to pull you into the eye. I will say though, in black and white, her face loses a lot of structure, but it's fine because her hair helps to define the shape. So my overall score is 10 for this soft, stunning look. Yeah, guys, so that's my score for the post. If you agree with me, leave your 10 emojis in the comment section below. Leave your chops if you don't. Subscribe and get ready to analyze the next post starting now.